Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna talk about my current favorite teen makeup products that I'm completely obsessed with, and I'm gonna talk about these products and show you the products in action by creating this gorgeous makeup look, which is such a wearable look. So these are the products which I have been enjoying since last couple of months, and these are working really well for me, so I am sharing my thoughts about these products. And this makeup look is so wearable, guys. It's a shimmery champagne eyes with nude brown lips, which you can definitely wear with most of your outfits. And this eyeshadow palette has my heart. I'm going to talk about this palette as well, so I hope that this video will help you a lot. You will like this video, but before that, make sure you subscribe, and let's get started with the tutorial. So the first product that I am really loving these days is this one by L'Oreal. It is her Brow Artist Genius Kit. It's an eyebrow kit in which you are getting an eyebrow powder and an eyebrow wax. So I'm taking the eyebrow powder at first and outlining my brows, at the same time fill it in. So this one is very easy to use, and the shade is so perfect for Indian eyebrows. You can see I do have dark black hair, and this particular shade is a beautiful taupey brown color which is having grayish undertone. Goes so well on Indian skin tones. It's very finely milled, easy to use. At the same time, it comes with an applicator which is so useful, guys. The spoolie is also a very good quality. So taking the eyebrow wax, I'm going to set my eyebrows. So bushy eyebrows are now on trend, and this particular eyebrow kit is going to help you in achieving that. So you can see my brows are well done, and it is definitely looking gorgeous. So the next product I'm going to talk about is this one by Gush Beauty. This is also another product that I am currently enjoying a lot. It is a Glow Getter Illuminating Moisturizer, or a strobing cream. So you can't use it as a moisturizer on its own. You can use it before putting your foundation on your face for adding a beautiful glow on your skin. So this one is having a beautiful creamy texture. At the same time, it has got pink hues in it, which is going to add that beautiful glow to your skin. It has got very fine shine to it. The shimmer particles are so finely milled that you can't see, and I would say this is one of the closest dupes of MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. I have used that one, and I can assure you can definitely try this one out. So another gorgeous stuff that you should definitely check out is this BB cream by Mars. It's a super affordable product. Yes, it's a must-have for everyone out there. I do have two shades with me, medium and tan, and mixing the two shades give me my own color, my own skin tone shade that actually matches me perfectly. So I'm using equal amount of both the shades, the shade tan and medium, and mixing the two gives me my perfect match. So when I am applying it on my face, it looks a little light, but once I blend it out on the skin, I just love how it actually looks on my skin. So I'm using a brush to blend this out. You can see it's a BB cream, but it is having really nice coverage, not full coverage, but light coverage. But surely you can build it up and make it medium to full coverage, and it will be looking really good on your skin. You can still see my imperfections when I am using the first layer of this BB cream on my skin, but I love how it actually looks. So it's going to give you like a beautiful glowy, dewy, luminous finish on the skin, which I think you are definitely going to enjoy on an everyday basis. This is the product that I have been using non-stop, guys, and I absolutely love how it actually looks on my skin. The next product is a concealer by ELF. It is her 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Tan Sand. The shade is lighter than my skin tone, so I basically use it as my highlighting concealer. So now this is a matte finish concealer, but it doesn't show up that matte on my skin. It looks really good on my skin, guys. So you can see it's a thick concealer. A little product goes a long way with it. If you put a lot of this, it can be a little bit cakey on the skin, but when I use this much, it looks so beautiful. And the combination of the BB cream, the mask BB cream, and this concealer is so gorgeous looking on the skin, guys. So you can see it is having full coverage. It has covered up the imperfections that I have underneath my eyes. I don't have intense dark circle issues, but in order to brighten up my skin, brighten up my under eyes, this is the product that works so well. At the same time, being a heavy duty full coverage concealer, this is not at all heavy and cakey on the skin, guys. It looks really healthy and nice and radiant on the skin. Now this is the product that I have been using a lot, and you guys are tired of hearing me talking about this particular product. So this one is by K Beauty. It is a cream blush in the shade Rustic Rush. This is one of my favorite cream blushes, guys. I love it to bits because of the formulation. foundation. So it's a cream based product, but it has got a fluffy powdery texture to it, which adds that beautiful powdery matte finish on the skin. You can see the pigmentation, it's intensely pigmented, and a little product goes a long way with it. And you can just use your fingertips for blending this out on the skin. And the shade Rustic Rush is a beautiful muted orange color, rusty orange shade, which has got a warm undertone, going to suit all Indian skin tones. So I'm just religiously applying it on the apples of my face and taking it towards my ears. And you can see this is how natural it looks on the skin. At the same time, in person as well, this looks so beautiful. Another hidden gem that you should definitely check out is this one by Gush Beauty. It is her multi-purpose face palette, which is basically a stack in which you are getting a blush, a highlighter, and a contouring product. Now, the formulation of these three products that you are getting in a single palette is different. So the blush is a cream blush, and the highlighter is actually a powder highlighter, and the contouring product is a cream contour product, which is going to give you powdery finish. So the cream based products of this particular palette is going to give you powdery finish on the skin once you blend it out, and contouring product is so natural looking on the skin. You can see I'm using a my pack 003 brush for the application of the product, and it looks absolutely natural. It has got cool undertones, but it doesn't look that detectable on the skin. So on an everyday basis, you can definitely use it, and it's going to look very natural looking on the skin. At the same time, it's going to warm up your skin, and it's going to create that shadow, which helps in making your face look structured and defined. So this is the product also which I am religiously using in this hot humid summer days, guys, for natural looking makeup. Since I have used all of my cream based products, and I'm going to use this powder to set my face. And I know this is also another product that I have been talking about so much on my channel. This is by COLORBAR. It is her 24-hour wear a wetless powder foundation in the shade PF7. Now this is actually a powder foundation which you can use on its own, but it works so beautifully for setting my concealer, my foundation. It has got a little bit of coverage, but it looks so seamless, so flawless on the skin. It doesn't look caked up on the skin. It doesn't give you like a flat matte finish. I love to set my face with it. Now I'm using the highlighter that comes in the Gush Beauty palette. So with the help of a highlighter brush, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face. And you can see this is one of the most finely milled highlighters that I have used. It's so finely milled. It looks intense on the pan, but once you blend it out on the skin, it kind of completely melt down and get completely meshed with the base makeup products which you have underneath on your face. So it looks so beautiful. This is the product that I have been raving about, and I absolutely love it to bits. This one is by Forever52. It is her magnificent eyeshadow palette in MEP004, and this is how it looks in natural light. You can see it's actually a shimmery eyeshadow palette, but it is having unique formulation. So it has got cream to powder formulation, very pigmented product. All of the shades are actually foiled eyeshadows, like multi-chrome, duochrome foiled shades, which has got different specks of glitters in it. At the same time, it looks so stunning, intense on its own, and you don't need any other eyeshadows with it to work on your eyes. So you can simply use these shades on its own just as a wash of color on your eyes, and it's going to give you that super punch to your eyes. So I'm just using a brown eyeshadow from a random eyeshadow palette as my transition color for this makeup look only. And I'm blending this out with the help of fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to use this very pretty, like a champagne, warm champagne color, which has got bronze undertones as my lid shade. And you can see I'm just using my fingertips for the application of the product. It's so creamy, but once you apply it on your eyes, it's going to become like a powdery product, and it's going to give you that powdery finish without being heavy, without being having fallout. So it's so nice to have this on your eyes, guys. It feels really good. Taking this duochrome shade, which has got reflective glitter shimmers in it, I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid to create like a halo effect. And it has also got like a, you can see like a green shift to it, which also looks so beautiful. So most of the shades are foiled eyeshadows, which has got different shifts, like green shifts, red shifts, different purple tones, which looks completely different, guys. So these are different kind of eyeshadows, and I think this is the palette that you should definitely check out. Must have for all out there, because you don't need to work with a lot of shades. At the same time, you can just use a few shades on your eyelid and you are done. So taking that previous champagne color which has got bronze undertones, I'm going to apply it on all over my lower lash line, and taking that duochrome greenish golden kind of shade, I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes as well, and I'm done. I don't need any other product. Now this is my favorite mascara that I'm currently enjoying a lot, guys, and I would highly suggest you guys to grab this. This one is by Mars. It is her Fabulash mascara, and you can see this is the first coat of the mascara. So it is one of the most voluminous, one of the most defining mascaras that I have used till date. It's so easy to wear on your lashes. It defines each and every lash you have. It coats my lower lashes so nicely, especially because of the applicator it comes with. It comes with a very nice fat kind of curvy applicator which helps in the application of the product so well, and you can see you don't need your false eyelashes whenever you're using this particular mascara. But I have used my staple Pack Mink eyelash in number M75 for creating this eye look, and this is how my final eye look turned out. You can see it looks so beautiful, so easy to create. At the same time, it will be pairing up really well with most of your outfits. Now this is the lipstick which I am obsessing over. This is by Maybelline. It is our creamy matte lipstick in the shade MIDTOWN Pink, a beautiful warm brown color, and I think this is going to work on all skin tones out there. On deeper skin tones, tan skin tones, this is going to rock on you. It's a perfect mixture of warm tone browns along with a little bit of orange with lots of pinks in it, which is going to give you that the perfect nude color for Indian skin tones, guys. It is having a creamy formulation, very pigmented, and once it settles down on your lips, it's going to give you a soft matte finish which you will like. So this is a finished look, guys, which I have created using my current favorite 10 makeup products that I am completely obsessing over. The eyeshadow palette is a must buy for everyone out there, and all of the products are something that you should definitely try out. I'm going to put the links of all of these products down in the description box. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.